This virtual training tool demonstrates a future feature addition to our automated test equipment platform, providing customers a virtual, cloud-based training environment that is easy to access and utilize throughout the life of their product. This feature optimizes operational continuity of the test system and provides a path to rapid, seamless application. Shown here is the Duotech ARTES product, the Advanced Reconfigurable Test and Emulation System. Engineered to solve the toughest challenges in legacy electronics and avionics testing, ARTES delivers a powerful and flexible solution for the modern defense environment. ARTES is a rapidly scalable automated test station, capable of being reconfigured to test an incredible range of technologies. Its reconfigurable I/O handles digital, analog, switch matrix, and RF signals, more than 1,000 reconfigurable signal lines in total. This system tackles component obsolescence, toolchain discontinuance, and OEM dependency, all while integrating seamlessly with multiple generations of test equipment. Have a new system to test? Simply change the cables. ARTES adapts instantly. At the heart of ARTES flexibility are its interface cable connectors. Each cable links the ARTES system to the unit under test, routing complex signals through easily reconfigurable connections. This modular design means test engineers can move from one platform to another in minutes, no redesigns required. Once connected, the unit under test becomes fully visible within ARTES. Using integrated 3D modeling and visualization, technicians can explore internal components in real time, pinpointing faults faster and improving repair accuracy. From isolation to verification, ARTES brings powerful insight to every level of testing and repair. ARTES designed for today's missions, ready for tomorrow's challenges. Learn more at duotechservices.com.